Alright, so there are 4 ways to slow down a clip speed in Premiere Pro. The first way is to drag to select all the clips you'd like to slow down. Right-click a selected clip and go to Speed/Duration. You can also use the Ctrl-R keyboard shortcut on Windows or Command-R on Mac with your clip selected. Then select the speed and reduce it. I'm going to set mine to 50% so it plays back at half speed. Alright, and now my clip plays back slowed down. This works, but I'm going to undo this and show you another way. In the project panel, right-click your clip and hover over Modify. Select Interpret Footage. Check Assume this frame rate and lower the frame rate to your liking. I'm going to change mine from 30 FPS to 24 FPS. Once again, this works really good, but I'm going to undo this and show you yet another way. From the toolbar on the side of the timeline, click and hold the third tool down and select the Rate Stretch tool. You can also just press the R key on your keyboard to select it. Now to slow down your footage, just drag the end of your clip to make it longer. That's a really fast way to get it done, but I'm going to undo that and show you one last way to slow down footage in Premiere Pro if you're more of an advanced user. Right-click your clip and go to Show Clip Keyframes, Time Remapping, Speed. And you're going to want to expand your video track so you can see both this keyframe button as well as this line. Now to slow down your clip, just drag the line down with the selection tool. You can also use the circle button here to set keyframes for where you want to slow down your clip and then drag the line between the keyframes to only decrease that part's speed. To gradually slow down or speed up a clip, just drag half of one of the keyframes to create a speed ramp effect. Just keep in mind that if you start messing around with keyframes, the audio and video track will become unsynced, so this works best when working with separate audio and video files. Alright, and those are the 4 ways to slow down a clip in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and see you next time.